Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most exciting products that Apple has ever released, the Apple Vision Pro. This is a mixed reality headset that lets you experience amazing things in your own space. You can use apps, watch movies, play games, take photos, and connect with others in a whole new way. In this video, I'm going to show you what the Apple Vision Pro can do, how it works, and why you might want to get one for yourself. Let's get started. First, let me explain what mixed reality is. Mixed reality is a technology that combines the real world and the virtual world. It allows you to see digital content as if it was part of your environment. For example, you can see a movie on a giant screen on your wall, or a game character on your table, or a document on your desk. You can also interact with these digital elements using your eyes, hands, and voice. Mixed reality is different from virtual reality, which blocks out the real world completely, and augmented reality, which only adds a few digital elements on top of the real world. The Apple Vision Pro is Apple's first mixed reality headset. It looks like a pair of sleek glasses that you wear on your face. It has a curved glass surface that covers the front and the sides of the device. This glass surface acts as an optical window for the cameras and sensors that view the world. It also reflects the light from the displays that project the images into your eyes. The device also has a custom aluminum alloy frame that wraps around your face and attaches to the light seal. The light seal is a soft material that blocks out any stray light and makes the device comfortable to wear. The device also has two head bands that you can choose from, the Solo Knit Band and the Dual Loop Band. The Solo Knit Band is a simple and elegant band that goes around your head. The Dual Loop Band is a more secure and adjustable band that goes over and under your head. Both bands have speakers that deliver spatial audio, which means you can hear sounds from different directions. The Apple Vision Pro is powered by the R1 chip, which is Apple's first spatial computing chip. This chip is responsible for processing the images, sounds, and interactions that you experience with the device. The chip also handles the wireless connection between the device and the battery, which is a separate accessory that you can clip on your belt or put in your pocket. The battery can provide up to 6 hours of continuous use for the device. The device also has a storage capacity of 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, or 1 terabyte, depending on the model you choose. You can use this storage to store your photos, videos, apps, and other content. The Apple Vision Pro runs on VisionOS, which is Apple's first spatial operating system. This operating system is based on Mac OS, iOS, and iPadOS, but it is designed for mixed reality. It allows you to control the device with your eyes, hands, and voice. You can look at an element, tap your fingers together to select it, and use the virtual keyboard or dictation to type. You can also use Siri, Apple's voice assistant, to ask questions, set reminders, play music, and more. You can also access the Control Center, which is a menu that lets you adjust the settings, switch apps, and view notifications. One of the main features of the Apple Vision Pro is the apps. You can use many of the apps that you already know and love, such as Safari, Notes, Messages, Mail, Calendar, Photos, and more. You can also download new apps from the App Store, which has a special section for mixed reality apps. You can arrange the apps anywhere in your space and scale them to the perfect size. You can also move between them with a glance. You can use the apps to browse the web, create a to-do list, chat with your friends, check your email, plan your day, view your photos, and more. You can also use the apps to collaborate with others in real time. For example, you can use FaceTime to video call someone and see them as if they were in the same room with you. You can also use apps like Pages, Numbers, and Keynote to work on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations together. Another feature of the Apple Vision Pro is the entertainment. You can use the device to watch movies, shows, and games in a stunning way. You can expand the content up to the perfect size and feel like you are part of the action. You can also enjoy the content with spatial audio, which makes the sound more realistic and immersive. You can watch the content from various sources, such as Apple TV+, Netflix, YouTube, and more. You can also play games that are specially designed for mixed reality. You can interact with the game characters and environments using your eyes, hands, and voice. You can also use the device to play games that are compatible with other platforms, such as Apple Arcade, Steam, and Xbox. Another feature of the Apple Vision Pro is the photos and videos. You can use the device to capture spatial photos and spatial videos in 3D. These are photos and videos that have depth and perspective. You can relive these memories in a more vivid way with the device. You can also view your existing photos and videos in a larger scale and with more detail. You can also view panoramas that wrap around you and make you feel like you are in the place where you took them. You can also take spatial videos with the iPhone 15 Pro, which has a 3D camera, and then view them on the Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro is a revolutionary product that changes the way you use technology. It is a device that lets you experience mixed reality in your own space. You can use apps, watch movies, play games, take photos, and connect with others in a whole new way. The device is available starting February 2, 2024, in the United States, for $3,499. You can pre-order it now from the Apple website or the Apple Store app. You can also visit an Apple store to try it out for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the Apple Vision Pro. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.